In Murray, where charming neighborhoods and well-kept homes create a welcoming community, first impressions matter. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to improve your home's exterior is by upgrading your entry door. More than just a functional necessity, your front door serves as the focal point of your home's curb appeal. With the right style, color, and design, new entry doors can completely transform the look and feel of your property. Here's how replacing your old door can give your Murray home a fresh new presence. Make a strong first impression. Your entry door is one of the first things guests, neighbors, and even potential buyers notice. An outdated or worn door can make your entire home look tired, while a stylish new door instantly creates a polished appearance. Bold colors like red, navy, or forest green can make your home stand out. Classic wood finishes add warmth and traditional charm. Modern minimalist designs give a sleek, contemporary edge. By simply upgrading your door, you immediately enhance your home's character and create a welcoming entry point. Complement Murray's neighborhood styles. Murray neighborhoods feature a blend of architectural designs, from classic bungalows and ranch-style homes to more modern builds. Today's entry doors come in a wide variety of materials and styles, making it easy to find one that complements your home. Craftsman doors with glass panels pair beautifully with traditional homes. Steel or fiberglass doors with clean lines are ideal for contemporary properties. Custom designs allow you to match your door to your home's trim, siding, or exterior accents. A door that complements your architecture not only boosts curb appeal but also helps your home fit seamlessly into the character of your Murray neighborhood. Add natural light with decorative glass. New entry doors often feature glass inserts that brighten interiors while adding exterior elegance. Frosted glass panels provide privacy without sacrificing light. Stained or etched designs bring artistic flair to your entryway. Full or half glass options create a more open and inviting look. For Murray families, decorative glass entry doors can add personality while improving both the indoor and outdoor atmosphere. Durability that shows a door that looks fresh and well kept is key to strong curb appeal, and modern entry doors are built to withstand the elements. Fiberglass doors resist warping, rotting, and fading, making them ideal for Utah's variable climate. Steel doors provide strength and security while maintaining a clean, polished appearance. Engineered wood doors deliver natural charm with added protection against weather damage. Durability means your entry door will look great year after year, maintaining your home's curb appeal long-term. Boost property value. An updated entry door is more than just cosmetic, it's also a smart investment. Studies show that front door replacements often yield a high return on investment when it comes to resale value. For homeowners in Murray's competitive market, a new entry door can increase perceived home value at first glance, attract potential buyers with a fresh, inviting appearance, signal quality maintenance throughout the home. This makes upgrading your entry door both a design improvement and a financial advantage. Professional installation. For the perfect finish to truly boost curb appeal, your new entry door needs to be installed correctly. Professional installers ensure a precise fit that eliminates gaps or drafts, smooth operation and reliable hardware, long-lasting performance and warranty protection. With expert installation, your door won't just look beautiful, it will perform reliably for years to come. Final thoughts for Murray homeowners: replacing your entry door is one of the fastest and most effective ways to improve curb appeal. From bold colors and decorative glass to durable, energy-efficient materials, today's doors offer endless options to match your home's style and enhance its value. With professional installation, a new entry door provides both aesthetic charm and functional benefits, making your home more welcoming and attractive in the neighborhood. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to refresh your exterior, a modern entry door is a small change with big curb appeal results.